Hello students, this video is useful for class 9 and 10 both. This is specially to discuss with you about the division of syllabus or the division of marks, so that you get an idea how to prepare for the English subject, right? So we know that the total marks for every subject will be 100, and in English language also 20 marks you will get for the internal assessment. That will be based on your performance in the given activities, or the activities that are given to you, or on the basis of your behavior or punctuality, etc., right? And then the left 80 marks, this 80 marks, that means you have to prepare the syllabus for these 80 marks, right? And the syllabus we have to prepare is for 20 marks the reading section, for 10 marks grammar, 10 marks writing, and for 40 marks literature. Now what we have to prepare in reading section, let us see. In reading part we will get two passages, that means one will be discursive passage, that means informative passage. By reading that passage you will have to answer the MCQs. That means MCQs, how many MCQs there will be? There will be 12 MCQs. Out of 12 you will have to do, and each MCQ carrying 1 mark. That means total marks 10 for first passage. Similarly, second will be the factual passage. Factual passage means that will be based on statistical data, chart, etc. Right? Again, there will be 10 MCQs, each carrying 1 mark. Sorry, there will be 12 MCQs actually, and you will have to do 10, and each carrying 1 mark, that means 10 marks. So total are 12 marks for 20 marks for reading, right? Now proceeding towards the grammar part. Again, for grammar you will have to prepare grammar for 10 marks. There will be 10 MCQs, and they will be based on these 5 topics. First topic is tenses, second modals, third subject verb agreement, the fourth one determiners, and the fifth topic is reported speech. You have to prepare these 5 topics to answer the questions in grammar. That will be for 10 marks, right? Now further, writing section I will discuss for both. First I will discuss for class 9, then I'll discuss for class 10. If I talk about class 9, there will be 2 questions, question A and question B. Both will be for 5 marks, and total marks for writing section will be 10. In first one you will have to do 1 out of the descriptive paragraph or a diary entry. Right? The word limit will be 100 to 120, and the question will be for 5 marks. Second will be writing a story on the basis of given cues. The word limit again will be 100 to 120, and it will be for 5 marks. So total marks for writing section 10. So this is for class 9. Similarly for class 10 also there will be 2 questions, A and B. Let us see. For class 10, the first question will be the formal letter. There will be 2 questions actually from this topic only. There will be 2 formal letters, and you will have to write 1. That will carry 5 marks. Then there will be 2 analytical paragraphs. You will have to do any one, and that will also carry 5 marks. So writing section will be for 10 marks. Right? Now talking about the literature part, the first question will be with reference to context. From prose 5 MCQs and from poetry 5 MCQs. That means with reference to context में क्या होगा, एक small paragraph given है आपको, जो chapters हैं आपके book के उसमें से, उस chapter का नाम, chapter का author, then उसमें से कुछ और MCQs पूछे जाएंगे. They will be for 5 marks, right? Then similarly one stanza from the poetry section will be given, right? Actually there will be 2 stanzas, and out of 2 you will have to do 1, right? There will be 5 MCQs. Similarly in prose also there will be 2 and you will have to do 1. Fine. So 10 marks with reference to context के लिए होंगे आपके. After that, the second question will carry 8 marks. How it will have to be done? It will have very short answer type questions. The word limit will be 20 to 30. Here you will have 4 questions. 2 out of 3 you will have to do for the main course book and 2 out of 3 from the supplementary reader. If I talk about the supplementary reader, for class 9, supplementary reader book is Moments and the main course book is Beehive. And for class 10, supplementary reader is The Footprints Without Feet and the main course book is The Flight, right? So total questions are 4, each question carrying 2 marks. So total 8 marks for very short type answer type questions. Then there will be short answer type questions. Short answer type questions के लिए word limit क्या होगी? That will be 30 to 40 words, right? Again, 2 out of 3 from the main course book and 2 out of 3 from the supplementary reader. How many questions? 4 questions and each question will carry 3 marks. So that means short answer type questions, they will be for 12 marks. Fine. Now the last one will be long answer type questions. The word limit will be 100 to 120. Here 1 question out of 2 you will have to do from the main course book and 1 out of 2 from the supplementary reader. Again I will tell you, if I talk about the main course book or the main textbook, that for 9th class that is Beehive and for 10th class that is The Flight book. Supplementary for class 9 Moments book and for class 10 The Footprints Without Feet. So here these are 2 questions, one from the supplementary and one from the main course book. So 1 question will carry 5 marks and 2 questions for 10 marks. So this way I have discussed with you the division of marks or the syllabus, how you will have to prepare for English subject. Students, the main purpose for discussing with you about this division of marks is to give an idea how to prepare for the exams. How much time you should allot to your writing section, how much time you need to give to your grammar part, and then how much weightage you need to give to the literature section, and what type of questions you will have to prepare. So I have explained it briefly. I hope it is clear to you. Thank you. Have a nice day.